Okay, so let me summarize and let me introduce again about negative candle. So if you see any kind of trending, mini trending like this, and you see a bounce back, you see another impulsive, you have a reason to take a put here. That is the basic concept. But what? We have to wait for confirmation. If you want to take a put, sure, kind of sure shot like this. So don't enter straight away for a put. You have to wait for another time like this. It should be like this. Should be like this. Okay, should be like this. Lower point and still validation in here. And then now it come back up here, come to this level or to this level. You can comfortably take a put. Now look at this. This is the level. You can take when it close at this zone. If it close above this zone and it hit the upper zone, you can take a put now. Okay. Then remember, you have the first negative candle here, and this is second negative candle. Okay. You have to wait for second negative candle, and if it close inside the zone of the turning point, valid turning point, you are good to go. So let's see. You have first turning point here. This is the first zone. This one close right at the zone, but don't enter a put straight away from here. Don't enter. You have to wait for second negative candle. This is first negative candle because this one happened. So you bear the name father because you have a son, right? If you don't have a son, you are not father. You are still young man. You're still green. Okay, you are not negative candle at all. You don't bear the name. You don't get the name negative candle, because after you have another green candle. So you are not negative. You are negative because you have red candle here. So you are good negative candle. So now I have the first zone. Don't enter this one straight away. Okay, we have to wait. And now we wait. We draw this zone. Okay, we have good validation. This one must be validation. This one may be not important, but this one is very important. If this one not validation, not engulfing the previous one, if this one is small, if this one does not make a new law, this one is not very good at all. Okay, so this one is very important. This one, pay attention to this. The second turning point should be validation. Validation means the red one should cover the opening price of the previous one, of the previous color, and also it is perfect if it makes new law. Okay, so this is zone is very powerful. And if this zone it respect, you enter here. If this zone it respects, you enter here a put. Okay, just one entry only. And now we come to new zone. You may see that you have a negative candle here, but don't enter a put straight away from here. Remember, mark my word. You can enter a put somewhere, but not here, because this is the first negative candle. We have to enter at the second negative candle. Okay, so you have the first zone here. Now we don't see anything in the future, right? And we have second zone here. It is very good one, and it makes new law. It kind of validation, very good validation. So now it come up, boom, it hit here, it's bounced back. This is second negative candle. This is the first negative candle. This is second negative candle. It's good to go here. And now you can have another one to this level. X zone, you enter, you take one entry only. Don't take too many entry. So this zone, you already win one. And now this zone, you can win another one. No fear, because it is the correct setup. Okay, so I'm going to show you some more example. Okay, so you can see this one is a negative candle. This one is good zone. But don't enter straight away from here. You wait here and you can enter here. Okay. Now again, some other example. You have negative candle, which is already kind of validation. You have negative candle here. No, not yet. Until you see this one. Make new law. Okay, so the total process is good. So you draw the zone here. And that this one come up straight away, hit here, bounce back a little bit, and close inside this zone or lower than this zone. You have very good reason to go here. Very good reason. But don't go here because you don't know. It might be up, 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 up. Like momentum 4 candle already. One lonely candle cannot stop the momentum, and the momentum may continue. Okay, so pay attention to that. Alright. Now, what do we have here? If you want to take a put, I'm sorry guys, I have to announce this one. My eye catching is always catching something down, so almost of the entry I take the put. Okay, so you have the first zone here, the second zone here. Then now you can take a put. If any candle close up here, close up here. So this one is very perfect. First zone, just draw. Second zone, just draw. And this one close inside the zone here, and it reacts with the very previous zone. You can enter here. And this one actually the same, exactly the same, so you can enter here. Okay, but yeah, when you see this one, maybe you stay outside, because I already say if one level you and take one entry only. This one hit 2 level, you can take another one with a little bit risk. Okay, this one is a zone, this one is a zone. Is this good? Okay, but this one is higher than this one, so don't enter if you see any green candle coming up here. You have to wait for another chance. So the first zone is here, and where is the second zone? The second zone should be here. Am I right? Is this the correct setup? The second zone should be lower than the first zone. Then you can take a put. Okay, what about this one? This one close and respect this zone. Close price inside the zone, so you can take a put here. Okay, and if any candle coming up here, close inside this zone or lower than this zone, it hit and it bounced back a little bit, you can enter a put on the top here. Okay, because this zone is active. This zone is active because of this zone. Okay, so just enter a second at the second zone. Now, what did I say? What did I say? I have a first zone here. I have a second zone here. Perfect, very perfect. I have another zone. This is what? This is another zone. Okay, so you can enter. If candle close here like this, you can enter a put here. If still close like this, you can enter a put here. No fear. Okay, and the third zone is here. The third zone is here. Okay, but it is higher than this one. You may not enter. This is higher than this one already, but still lower than this one. So you should see anything, and it close above this zone. So don't enter a red here. If you enter here, you must base on this zone to enter, right? And now you have this zone as well. This one close inside this zone. See, the price close inside this zone. It respects this zone and also respects this zone as well. You have very good reason to go down. And this one as well, close inside this zone. Inside this zone. And it respect here. Two zone. You have very good reason to enter without fear. Okay. And now I have another example. Just random chat. I see this one, so I see this one, so it's good to enter here. Almost of the time my eye catching look from top to bottom, not from bottom to top. Okay, so you have a zone here. Actually this is a zone. Okay, and this is the second zone. Second zone, you draw like this, the minimum point, the extreme point, and you have a zone. And this one hit, bounce back a little bit, you have a reason to go down. just one. Okay, if you want to take another put, you may see it here, but this is a fail. Just accept it. If you see this one, you may enter another put, but I already say in one zone take one entry only. One entry only, don't take too many. Just leave the chance go away. One entry only. So we have the zone here, which is new law, the zone here. So in the future here, in the future here, and now in the future here, it closed inside the zone here. You can take a put. And this is the future, or at least this is the future, right? Okay, I have many future here, but the candle is trending down. It does not come back up this. So I have a future here, I have a future here, right? And I have a current market here. Okay, and what else? I also have a future here, and I also have a future here. Right here, I see the chance, so I enter here. And it in future it hit here, or hit here. I may enter another one. So okay, so this one. So this one, I have a zone here. This one not coming up yet. This one already hit. It does not respect this zone, but it respects this zone. So the first one here, the second one here, you already have confirmation that this is second negative, not the first one, right? So you can enter, you can trust this zone and enter no fear with a put. Again and again and again. So we have a zone here, we have active zone up above here, we have another zone in here, and actually we have another one as in here. So this one respect this one, respect this one. You have to enter a down, a put here, not a call. And this one as well, it hit here, so it is lower than everything here, so you can enter here. Okay, just one only, don't enter here, just one only. And you may see, yeah, you may have kind of zone here, and you may have kind of zone here. So in the future, if any green candle coming up here or coming up here, you can enter a put. Okay, again this one, you have good reason to go. This one not yet. You have good reason or not. See this one not yet. Don't enter straight away because this is kind of trending up, and you may enter the second entry. If this one close like this, you can enter put. Easy. Okay, now it's quite a long time I didn't see any trading up. So see here, you see the first zone. Where is the first zone? This is the first zone, this is the second zone. Okay, so the second zone or the first zone is kind of negative candle, active candle, and you can enter when you see it hit. So actually this one hit and close inside the zone. This one hit as well, so you may win one and you recover another one. Okay, so now you have this one, and this one. So this one not hit yet, don't enter here. Okay, so now you see we have a zone here. In the future we don't know yet. We have a zone here. Okay, so this one is lower than the previous one, and you see it hit, just go. And it still hit another one, just go. But hit big like this, don't go. Okay, and now it come up. It hit here, close right here. You have a reason to go down. If you don't have any reason, don't go. So the second negative candle should be equal or lower than the previous zone. It should not close like this. If it close above the zone, the previous zone, we should not enter anything. Okay, so that is the point. Here's another point, equal or lower. If you want to take a put, it should be equal or lower. So this one is equal. or a little bit lower, so you can take a put now. We have a confirmation here. Okay, it's good. The confirmation make a little long. That's good. Now we have something here. Okay, let's see. We have the first one, we have second one, validation, we have third one, validation. So it is very good. And this candle break all the level and it respect this one. Respect this one. But does not hit yet. It should be like this. The wick here should be like this, so you can enter confidently. So if it like this, if you want to enter a call, you have to take marginal safety. You have to wait until it hit a little bit inside this zone, and then you can enter a call. If does not hit inside the zone, do not enter anything. Okay. So now you can see if this red candle have any wick inside this zone, you can enter a call again. Okay, so now let's see what happened. You have a zone here, and this one not yet, guys. You have a zone here. This one is the very first one. Do not take it as a entry. Okay, you can enter at the second time. Now see the level is here. Okay, so if this one perfect, if this one hit a little bit like this, and you can enter a put. If does not hit, do not enter here. Just leave the chance go away. Okay, we have very good entry here. I have very first turning point, right? I have another first turning point here, but the level look ridiculous. So it looks like equal, right? First turning point here is the second turning point. It look like equal. So you can enter here when you see, or you can enter here. You may lose one, win one, because this is a bad market. They look like too much volatile for the market. So we should stay outside when we see wick, double wick every 100% of every candle. So should stay outside. Not good at all. Nothing good at all. Okay, so you have what do we have here? We have 1, 2. So this is the zone. This is the level. So you draw the level like this, and you see this one is very beautiful one. Okay, this one is equal level. So you can enter here. You lost, and but still inside this zone. Inside this zone. This is the zone. Okay, inside this zone. So you can enter a call now. You have one loss, one win. So it's up to you with your marginal safety or with your money management. I hope so. Okay, so you have the very first level in here, the second level in here, third level in here, and you can enter confidently in here. Enter confidently. You may make need wait for a little marginal safety, or maybe no need, because this level already confirmed by some other lower level. The new law, this level is very trusted. Okay, so you can enter here straight away, enter here straight away, but coming up here you can enter here. Very beautiful. Okay, so where do we have? So we have validation in here, validation in here. Just draw a level here and just draw a level here, so it respect here. Okay, here we have what we have here, we have here, we have here, so we can enter here. Okay, now where do we have? We have here level, here level. This one close like this. It's very good reason to go down. Okay, very good reason to go down. Second negative. So we have a level here, a zone here. We have a zone here, double zone. You can enter here. No fear, no thinking, because that is the setup. No thinking, no need to think too much. Okay, so this is a zone. You have first zone here. Okay, so don't enter here, but you have a confirmation in here with new law, so you can enter here a put. And now it comes up to this zone. If it closes like this above the zone already, you may not enter here, may stay outside. Okay, just stay outside. Now where is the negative? Negative should be the second negative, not the first one. So you have the first time, you have the second time validation. So this zone is active, and when you see this one, you can enter here. Okay. Here as well, you have the first zone like this. It's big like this, and the second zone is like this. You have validation. This one is validation, so you can draw here. Okay. This one is validation. Here, this one is validation because it's McLeod law. So you can enter. When you see here, you can enter a put here straight away. But if you lost, you can see you can recover straight away with this one. We often not lose 3 red trade continuously if we apply this strategy. The maximum I think is 2 red trades when we see the bad market. We have the first zone, we have the second zone, this is the second zone, so you can enter here straight away, and still second zone you can enter straight away here, and this is coming to this zone, you can enter here. So you may maximum enter with 3 times. So you have another zone here, you have another zone here. This one is very beautiful to take a red, no fear. Okay. So what do you have? First zone, second zone, you have good reason to go here, and second zone, third zone, if any candle going up here, you can enter a put. Okay, so this is confirmation. You have first zone here, second zone here, second zone here. Actually you don't have, you may lost this one, you lost this one, but you can recover because it come up here, it will respect this zone, you can recover here. We often recover very quickly. So where is it? This is a zone, this is a zone, maybe. Okay, but it's bad. This one should close like this, lower, and this one is higher, so you can enter. This one is bad. Okay, now what? Let's see, we have a zone here, right? We have another zone here, right? The second zone for me is here. We just draw in the future. And second zone for me, no. This one is lower, so don't take this one and this one. This one make new low, not new high. So don't take a call. I'm talking about the bottom zone negative. If you think this one is a first negative, we wait for second negative, and you think this one is second negative, but we need to see this zone higher than this zone. Actually this zone is lower, make new low, lower than this zone. So don't enter a call here, don't enter here, just don't. And now coming out to this zone, we have here validation as well, here validation as well, here validation as well. So it respects this zone, it also respects the bigger zone at the top, so you can enter no fear with this one, just one only. Again, another example, you have zone here, zone here, zone here. Okay, you have another zone here, so when it closes like this, you have to enter here. You have another zone, if any green candle coming up here, 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 you may enter a put. Okay, another example, you have a zone here, validation, you have another zone here, validation. This one not hit yet. If this one hit, you may wait for close as a green candle and you can enter, or you can enter straightly immediately with margin of safety, because this one is close, too much close to the zone, so this one easily to hit and bounce back. Or you may stay outside. If you don't see any green candle, you can stay outside, no one say anything. Okay, so we have another zone, we have this zone here. Okay, we have this zone here, and this is very good confirmation for new law, new validation, so this is good. So if you see any green candle hit here, close here, and hit here, you can enter put here. Okay, hit this one, not hit this one yet, so we don't enter here, just stay outside. Okay, and we have another zone here, right? So this one is kind of hit. You may enter a put with good margin of safety in this candle. Okay, so this one is good, and you see close at the second level. So you see the first level and validation in here, right? And this is another validation. It closed right here, very beautiful. So you may ask yourself why it closed like this, no wick. So you can enter here, no fear, just enter. Okay, because it does not make momentum yet, so we are not scared. Now again, do we have confirmation? We have good validation in this zone, okay, and we have validation in here, so this zone is active. Okay, we have validation in here, but look if we can win anything. We lost one and we can win one, no fear. Okay, so we have validation in here, right? And we have another validation in here. This is the second time. This is the second time. Actually you can see you will enter here after this one close inside the zone or the previous one. You can enter here. Okay. So now you have this one and you have this one. So actually you will lose this one if you pay attention to this, but you have another one level to back up, zone to back up, so you can enter a call here, no fear. So what now? We have active level. Okay, so we have coming up with this one. You can enter here or you stay outside because you scare the momentum. This is momentum, scared. Okay, so now do we have any reason? We have the first level in here, we have the second level in here, and we have third level in here. Actually, so you can enter no fear with this one. This one is very sure shot, okay, because the zone is here, the zone is here, and it close, bounce back a little bit. You can enter no fear. Okay,